The NASDAQ, the market that just wouldn't quit until it does. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, July the 8th. And wow, here we go again, right? I mean, markets exploding higher, especially the NASDAQ, up almost 100 points at this time. Dow got up about 200, has cut those gains about in half. The S&P was much higher. That's coming back. And of course, the Russell, which is the weak link of the bunch, has once again pulled back. It's up, but it's up minimally based on the overall action of the market. And again, we remain in the same positions: short the Dow, short the S&P, short the NASDAQ, the Russell, and long the NASDAQ. However, again, what we saw yesterday, I would not be surprised to see a repeat performance again today, where we see a late day sell-off, if not sooner. I think we're getting very much overdone here, even from a straight technical standpoint of overbought conditions. So again, I would expect potentially the same type of action we saw yesterday. Now, the real problem remains the lack of liquidity, the lack of volume. But again, that's what I'd be looking for. Of course, I will only trade the blow-off pattern during the day. And of course, I've already got my positions on for the long term. So we'll see what happens from there. The metals have exploded. Okay. And again, it's interesting how once again, they came down to our levels and bang, here they are. Gold is on the highest. If gold closes where it's at right now, it will be the highest. It'll be a record close, not a record print, but a record close, because the high was obviously in the 1900s. But the high close, I believe, was 1827. So we'll see what happens here. Silver continued to explode, and platinum, although we're short, is getting ready to possibly turn over. So we could be getting long platinum. For now, we're long gold, silver, short platinum. Net gas is a shade lower. Copper is higher, moving along with the rest of the metals. The dollar is a little bit lower. Again, as you continue to see the manipulation from the Fed, the bonds have given away a little bit, and they're a little bit lower along with the notes. We're still long dollars, long bonds. Okay. But again, at the end of the day, all right, the markets will do what they'll do, and we will be with the trend. We are basically looking at each thing as one big position, not individual components of. Grains, soybeans and corn are a shade weak here. Nothing I'd be concerned about. I think that we're still long both. It looks like wheat is finally going to join the party. Although we're short wheat, wheat is up about 12 cents today. Looks like it wants to break out and join the grain rally, which we expect a much bigger rally. Hogs are a little bit higher. We're short. Cattle and fats and feeders are a little bit lower. We're still long. Again, nothing has changed technically almost anywhere with the exception of potentially platinum. So at the end of the day, we're going to stay where we are. And again, we don't get active during the day. We don't get trapped in these news items that happen here. Oh, and I forgot crude. Crude oil is right around unchanged. It's on both sides. I had a bearish report, but the market's held. Again, we're long crude. I don't think it's going much higher. But again, I'm not getting out until the algorithm changes. But again, remember, it's a market of liquidity and volume. We ain't got it. Okay, you are starting to see some in the agricultural goods, which is very good and very bullish. So we'll see how they play out. Again, we're not going to predict, but I could see a repeat of yesterday. It would not be a surprise whatsoever. So let's see how the J trades out. In the meantime, again, since I just got off RFD TV, it reminds me that we just worked out a new partnership with Family Farms, and really excited to talk about that. And look for more information when we do Bubba's Bottom Line on Sunday. And of course, our commodity report is unbelievable. And if you read Andy Hecht on Seeking Alpha, who is the #1 author there, and if you've ever heard of him before, you will see nobody's got a better handle on the fundamentals as well as tying in the technicals to the commodity markets and showing you how to use ETFs or commodities, whichever you prefer. But it's technimental. You can see it at BubbaTrading.com. And don't forget about our unbelievable brokerage partnerships. For futures and commodities, we use CTG. Now, I've got other brokerage accounts at other places, but again, for my own personal letter of direction trading, CTG handles it. I call, any of my people call, they answer the phone. There's no voicemail. So you want the best deal. You want to be with the best and have yourself taken care of. CTG is the place to go. And of course, for equities and options, Tradier is by far, as they say in horse racing, tons the best. Tradier is, first of all, it's $10 a month. So you're putting money in your own pocket. It's like a savings account every single month. but they have great customer service. They've got great platforms to execute off of. We have their API. As we get more automated, we tie right into them. So can you imagine having automated trading through an API and also free commissions? So you can't beat it. You want information, either Tradier or CTG, email me, bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll be happy to send you their info. And don't forget about our high school program as we try to revamp it for the fall. Hopefully we'll get back in school. That's at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Have a great day, everybody. Be careful. But again, don't be surprised if the markets do fall apart once again. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.